Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead schedule a text message, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead, open up your messaging app and go to a chat and type in a chat, whatever you prefer. Once you have typed in, you're going to go ahead, tap on this plus. Now this works for iOS 18 or higher. Here in the plus section, you will find a option called send later. Once you tap on the send later, you can tap the time field and adjust the date and time when you want to message, when you want the message to be sent. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and again type in for the message that you prefer and tap on the send icon, and your message will be sent. That's all you need to do for the iOS. Once you tap on this plus icon, there should be a send later option, and once you tap on it, you should be able to schedule a message and send it accordingly. And now for an Android, what you need to do is you need to go ahead, go to the messages, go to the chat, touch and hold or long press on send button, choose a present time, or you can choose later, today, tomorrow, or you can pick a date and time and you can save or set it, and that's it. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.